Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of TechTube, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your language in Crunchyroll. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your language in Crunchyroll, you just simply have to open any of your web browser that you use. And after opening the web browser, just simply search for Crunchyroll into there. And this Crunchyroll option will appear. You just simply have to open that and it will open the crunchyroll.com site. Now after coming into this site, you just simply have to tap into your profile picture icon, and after tapping into your profile picture icon, just simply choose this settings option, and into settings you will get this display language option which you won't get into your Crunchyroll application. Now in order to change the language, just simply click into this display language option, and then you can change display language into this many options. Just simply select the option that you want into here, and after that your display language into Crunchyroll will be changed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.